All right, everybody, I'm not above trying something new. We're trying some carpet cleaning today. So I bought a stupid toy, now I have to use it. I'm gonna try to make a little extra money on the side cleaning carpets. You can watch my journey, see if I'm crazy, but I'm gonna show you some of the tools and tricks I've learned so far and whether I think it's worth your time to try to make a little extra cash on the side cleaning people's carpets. So I've pre-vacuumed this area, and I feel like doing this kind of work is going to help me be a better auto detailer, but I see, there's some urine there. The homeowner said there's some urine there, some urine spots there, and some urine spots there. So what I'm going to use here is a product called Urine Neutralizer from Bridgepoint Systems. And basically, this is an extremely acidic product, and urine turns very alkaline, I'm told. So you want to let that sit in there. I'll probably want to agitate that. But I'm looking for some of these discolored spots. And the process here is let this do its job. Try to neutralize some of the alkalinity left behind by the urine. And then rinse it. And then after that, what we want to do is go about cleaning the way we normally would. So in this case, I'll probably hit it with BioPro or Biosolve. It's like an enzyme-free spray. I think there's some protein stains involved with urine, and hopefully the enzymes will help take care of that. This is my first ever carpet job. So I'm just looking for some of these stains. You know, what's really annoying so far I've noticed is bringing my portable, my Mighty Light. I just put that glove there to show where the stain was, because I want to make sure I get all these spots that she pointed out as being urine stains from her dog. So the problem with not having a giant truck mount, those $20,000, you know, machines you see on the back of vans, is I have to bring my Mighty Light in. So today I'm using the customer's vacuum. I'm about to get a professional one. And then I just spot treated some of the urine to neutralize it. And she said there was one spot right here, which I left my paintbrush there. So hopefully the urine neutralizer here neutralizes the alkalinity. And then I can rinse this away with hot water extraction and then go about cleaning this area. Hopefully the rest of this I can just clean with encapsulation and my Brush Pro, my CRB machine. Hopefully that makes quick work of this area. So from this angle, it's either urine, wear, tear, you know, lots of kind of crud in the carpets, but you can see this area, that area, that area, and that area look pretty nasty from here. I've already vacuumed. So what I'm gonna do now is start my process of cleaning this and see what happens. So I've had the acid urine neutralizer on the carpet. We're now gonna extract that stain with hot water. Make a few dry passes. Already that looks so much better. All right, so I've pre-sprayed this area. Now I'm gonna go over it with the Brush Pro to really make sure we're cleaning all the fibers. Oh, it just glides so easy. Well, my first carpet job is over. I think I did a pretty decent job. These areas are still a little wet. I've got a air mover going right here in the background to try to dry some of the carpets. And you can see this area from before. It's just very wet from when I shampooed the carpets and then extracted. So I think when this dries out, a lot of this color is going to even out as well. But yeah, it would be amazing to have a truck mount. Carrying that Mighty Light up and down the stairs was a lot of work. So I would highly recommend to myself figuring out what I'm going to do. That's pretty wet right there. You know, I think I did a good job. This whole area was nasty. I just vacuumed all throughout the entire downstairs. Now I probably need to get my vacuum art in order because this looks pretty sloppy, but that area over there was pretty nasty before. I think we did a great job of like getting rid of a lot of the urine and stains, neutralizing some of the alkaline, you know, breaking down the enzymes and then extracting it out with a rinse product that is good for the pH of these carpets. I'm happy so far. I would say this was a lot of work. It kind of felt sort of like I was a janitor, which is fine, but it's just a little different when you're in someone's fancy automobile. But I think I could probably get my hourly rate up to something profitable if I had the right equipment and I had a lot more air movers to dry some of these dark areas out, just to leave the carpet as dry and as kind of like done as possible. But yeah, I'm optimistic. I want to see kind of where this goes. Okay, so I've got my air mover here. I'm just walking out of the house. You can kind of see the carpets behind me. What are my final thoughts? I had fun. It was a cold bleeping day out in Utah today in the winter, and I got to be inside. So there are some things that I think I need to do to improve. I need more air movers. God, I want a truck mount, but I can't spend 20 grand on one of those right now, or probably ever. But to do it right, hot water extraction really seems like the best way to deep clean carpets. Bringing that mighty light up and downstairs was a real pain, but I'm really excited. I need to get my wand technique down. This looks a little sloppy, but the carpets are clean. I had fun, and who knows? Maybe this will be more profitable than auto detailing. I never want to give up on auto detailing, but just keep all options open. Thanks for watching.